Yes, thank you, Brother Mikey, thank you. Alright, Brother Mikey. Good afternoon, church. You know it's a pastor slackness. And if you don't know what slackness mean, ask Sister Pam me come and meet last night. Now today, me I got talk about the slackness we are born in a Jamaica. Some of them get up on Facebook and put up picture with breasts and show, but they not show enough breasts. What you mean? Some of them I put up clothes in a bikini and the body not turn up Jesus. Some of them I talk about this and I talk about pum pum turn up. Pitting in a woman again. Stiff tit in a woman again. Why? Me name Pastor Slackness, and you must know me I talk about from you know when me name. Me name when me name and me name not change. Oh, the glory of Jesus. Some of them ass flappy. I when you look on them breasts, I be a liver spotty. Them breasts long. It long like a slippers. Some of them breasts, when them hold the breasts, them can't stay with the breasts. And I down here. You might tell the girl if to sit down on Jackie, but them girl if you come sit down by me. You already know, you not to send them more. Them at work, and I show them body, but them don't know so they figure wash them body. Yeah, me dey on Facebook. Some girl a magati higher wine and a one wine. What me I say? Me no around them. Me no around them. Pick them for free. It's hot. In your hat. In your hat. Pastor Joe, give me my hat. Give me my hat. Give me my hat. Yes. You see how me look good. You see how me a bling. No bad like me using. I'm a fool. I give me no half friend. But who don't know say I make me child the X5 and me a swing. And me a hype on them a promote party. Some of them a promote extremely wet. Promote tap out. But tell them say I ain't some of the thing there. Me a go dead there. I whine and I put girl on me bang.
That work. Well, them fuck not and put me in one hand's blood clot nest.
And they say she a go do it in a hand's nest. But tell her say me a go do it when the shark them arrest. What them a talk about use condom. But them not know say I beer back me thing there. Hey. Some of them a talk about position. Them not know position yet. Tap on the bed, set her up, cock her up, cock it up. And you take your time and you wind the thing. Yes, church. This is the end of the church. What time? 2:30 now. This is the end of the church. Make sure say on the 2.5 friend. Come want the next job, want a job of a swing. Make sure say Sister Pam. We are meeting later. Alright. Okay. All my viewers, if you want to come to church, make sure say you like the video.